Saris Cargo Accessory is compatible with any Saris 4-bike Freedom or Super Clamp rack and will transform it into a 2-bike plus cargo rack. Used in this configuration, the rack can transport 2 bikes weighing 35 pounds each and 120 pounds of cargo. To install the cargo accessory, you need a 17mm or adjustable wrench, as well as an 8mm and 6mm hex key, which are included in the box. Since the cargo accessory replaces the 2 bike positions closest to the vehicle, it's best to install the accessory with the rack already installed on the vehicle. To remove the 2 bike positions closest to the vehicle, remove the 8mm bolts and 17mm nuts from the center of the horizontal bike bar. Remove the bar and front lock plate and store for safekeeping. And since the cargo accessory comes with new hardware, you can stash the extra or store it with the bike bar. Place the included bracket on the outside of the horizontal tube with the second set of holes facing down. Next, we will attach the cargo tray. Line up the bracket on the rack base with the lower horizontal bar on the cargo tray. The cutout and the cargo tray should be facing the vehicle. Secure the cargo tray with the included 60mm bolts and 17mm nuts and tighten with the wrench and 8mm hex key. We recommend a torque spec of 15 feet per pound. Next, secure the lower side of the bracket with the backing plate on the bottom side of the rack receiver tube. Attach with the included 75mm bolts with the 17mm nuts and tighten with wrench and 6mm hex key. Now you're ready to take all that extra gear on your next biking adventure.